What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Nano to Bitcoin. So shout out to Hammy Morgan. If you guys are new to the channel or want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what cryptocurrency we should look at in tomorrow's video. Otherwise, as you guys saw the title, let's discuss what PayWithLitecoin is and how that might influence the price relatively quickly. So let's just jump into those two articles really quick that I found, and then we'll get into some TA quick. So this is an article that was posted about 4 hours ago today called on AMB Crypto by somebody right here, can't pronounce his name. It says, PayWithLitecoin campaign, can Litecoin fool the storm? Earlier this week, the Litecoin Foundation posted a tweet announcing their transaction platform expansion to businesses globally in the form of a campaign. The tweet said, "We're making it easier for businesses anywhere in the world to accept Litecoin and harness the power of the cryptocurrency." So getting off that, when you incorporate Litecoin into businesses and other places and you see a big Litecoin in their window, it gets the older generation, which has a lot of money, pensions, all that stuff. They have a lot of the wealth. It allows them to kind of see that Litecoin is not just a taboo. It's a currency. You can use it. It's not illegal. It's not drugs. It's not drugs. It's not money laundering. It can be used financially in places like that. So it gets people to notice it. It's advertising. It's allowing everyone to realize that it's not a negative thing, cryptocurrency. It can be used as a positive. So to continue the article, it says, Litecoin in its proposal has appealed to businesses, explaining the ways in which the adoption of Litecoin transactions can help a business. Litecoin can lower their transaction costs in order to increase their bottom line earnings by striking off payment clients from the equation. So not only are they saying Litecoin is a good way to help your business grow, they're also saying it will save you money by transaction costs. Additionally, PayWithLitecoin will shield transactions from frauds and bad actors. For Litecoin, that's another thing too that I just realized. When you accept cryptocurrency, for the most part, once it is sent, you can't get it back. So it can't be reversed like a credit card. And it also, you can't hand out fake money. So if you think about a business, when somebody pays in cash, they can print that money. It could be fake. And the business, at the end, the merchant loses money. If they only use Litecoin, theoretically, as a payment option or start adopting it, it'll allow a better way for them to save money in the long run. Also, Litecoin itself, it does have that protection. So like I said, with credit card fraud, a lot of people use fake credit cards and then it gets reversed. If somebody pays with Litecoin or cryptocurrency, that's it. Like, you can't reverse it, you can't get it back, and you can't steal it theoretically from somebody else and use theirs anonymously. That's not how it works. So it says the payments are claimed to be instant from any part of the world. It is not hard to predict that this campaign might soon become a pragmatic reality. This year, many industries have come forth in support of the Litecoin adoption in their certain transaction, be it pharmacy or the cannabis community. Businesses appear to find certain comfort in Litecoin. So a lot of businesses are accepting Litecoin because it's a taboo, because it's different. And as you know, you have to be different in business in order to survive and really gain attention from your viewers or your community, like this channel. So like the channel. However, Litecoin token in the market has been experiencing a dry spell. With constantly crashing figures, the red in the market has appeared to have the most impact on Litecoin, and I somewhat agree with that. At press time, Litecoin is trading at $78. It was down 3%, blah, blah, blah. It might smacked it down to 76. I guess 4 hours ago it was at 76. I'm looking at the current price right now and we're at above $80. So we'll get into that in a second. Now, a lot of you guys may be asking me, what can you use cryptocurrency for in the real world? And I do eventually want to make a vlog of me actually using Litecoin and cryptocurrency in day-to-day transactions. But here's a quick article that says what other alternatives you can buy with Litecoin. So not only can it says you can buy pet stuff, max, find a new way into the housing market. Litecoin stores are being able to buy and sell real estate with Litecoin. You can buy pet toys, treats, and more from Crypto Pet. Tea, direct from the producer. Tealet will accept Litecoin. Coffee. San Marco Coffee is offering a place to buy Litecoin. Get your photo taken with Litecoin at Common Spark Media. Airplane tickets can now be accepted with Litecoin. So the whole Pay with Litecoin Foundation is definitely booming. And there you go. The Pay with Litecoin. A beautiful sticker. And I may actually get that sticker and start accepting cryptocurrency if I introduce maybe some accessories for the channel, whether it be phone cases, blah, 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 blah. Just a way for you guys to help support t-shirts, mugs, blah, 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 whatever you guys want to see relevant to the channel. If you guys are interested in some products that will help support the brand and support the growth of this channel, let me know what you think in the comments below. But let's just jump into some quick TA right now. So we discussed, if you watch yesterday's video, it will be at the end of this if you want the link. You can clearly see we have drawn two lines that have seemingly turned into a downtrend at the most, and a channel, albeit in the long run too. Now the fact is we are trending on this line right here, in between here, quite well. I'd like to say it's pretty certain that we are in a channel right now. And what's interesting too is you can see where I have drawn originally a line of support right here, and we did break through that, but we actually are bouncing back up, so we may be hanging out above that. Do take into effect that we are still oversold on the stock RSI, so that may come into play as well. You can also see this is pretty much the bottom of the original run-up area, which I thought could have been right here before we blew up, but clearly it's taking a little bit longer than I'd like to see. But it's nice to see that we have found a area or a channel that Litecoin seems to be kind of hanging out in. So the most important thing I think we should all be paying attention to right now is Bitcoin's price and where we can see the movement going. So right now you can see that we are pretty low on the stock RSI, below the white band that I drew. We're also trading pretty low right here. We are, again, in a channel similar to Litecoins, as you can see. We are trading in this channel. And what we're really looking for is to see a break above the resistance level. You can see the support in this downtrend and the resistance in the downtrend. We're really looking for, you can see we're holding support at around the $6,000 mark. And I'm really looking to exceed that, that slight pop, or that slight injection of volume into the market that helps Bitcoin break this downtrend and hopefully bring us back up to that high-low MMA, where I know a lot of people will kind of be happy to see it break that everlasting 6-month downtrend. As for Ethereum does look quite nice following Bitcoin and Litecoin. You can see the downtrend right here. We're still looking for some slight consolidation, but we'll see where Bitcoin's price tends to go. It's coming to an end of its downtrend, so that may indicate that we are coming to an end on Litecoin. I mean on Ethereum's as well. You can theoretically draw this like here. It's very possible if you wanted to. I'm trying to see if there's also, like I said in yesterday's video, if there's a area or a channel that it's trading in here. And this is pretty close. If you notice, you can see the resistance it played until it broke above. And then you can see how these, we're not counting the wicks, but for the most part, it's in between there. So this could be a channel too that we're heading in. And similar to Litecoin being close to the end, Bitcoin being at the end, in between the channel, and now Ethereum being in this channel, we may be seeing some type of movement within the next, looking at Bitcoin, day or two. But the fact that we're seeing so much consolidation here, something is going to happen, and it's going to be very, very, very soon. So let's do pay attention to that, and we'll see how the market goes. Lastly, let's check out Nano. And I've definitely reviewed this in the past, so that's what the support lines are for. And what I'm noticing right now is just this overall downtrend on the market, which is definitely playing a toll for Nano. Hard to say where it's going to go. It does seem like Nano is following Bitcoin at its best. You can see the downtrend it is having, and we are below the high-low MMAs, and we are oversold on the stock RSI. So again, my best advice for Nano is that Nano is following or piggybacking the top cryptocurrencies. And before we see movement in those, we're going to have to see the top cryptos bump up a little bit too. Otherwise, Nano isn't going anywhere. Lastly, let's just quickly look at the coin market cap before I wrap this video up. And okay, we are at a market cap of 247 billion. So a little bit lower than, I believe, 2 or 3 days ago. If we scroll down for all the newbies, we get a general consolidation or I forget the word, consensus of the market. When we look at the top 10 cryptos, you can see how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins are down for the most part. We have 4 in green. So for the most part, I would say we are in a consolidation period. Nothing really up, nothing really down too much. EOS up 4%, which is pretty interesting. Only at $8 though, so it did have its run. But for the most part, we're doing okay. Litecoin's up 1%, but Bitcoin down 0.48. So that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. If you like the channel, please subscribe, turn on post notification. And if you guys want to see any type of merchandise being added to the channel soon, maybe at 10K, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you buy a shirt for 20 bucks? Is that reasonable? Definitely be nice shirts, but let me know. Peace.